Hey, welcome back ninjas. So today our problem is maximum subarray. So here they given an array and we need to return the subarray which have the maximum sub. So here the example 1 they take nums. So they have given the numbers which are positive and negative. So the subarray of the 4 1 minus 1 2 1 has the largest sum which is 6. For example 2 it's single element and example 3 it is having the subarray sum which is 23. So we need to find here the maximum sum of that subarray. So initially here we are using brute force approach. So let's dive into the brute force approach. So here I'm taking a variable named max. So it is min value which gives minus 2 power 31. So here we need to iterate the entire array to find out the maximum sub array. So for first outer loop would be I equals to 0 from the length nums dot length which is array dot length, and we need to take inner loop. So because it is the brute force, we take two loops to compare every one to each other. So j also starts with whether from I, and also it is having the same length like the outer loop. So this mainly used to calculate the sum. So we currently declare the sum variable as a 0 and sum equals to 0. Later we need to find out that sum equals to sum plus nums of 5. Here we are adding the every each elements, and I'm taking the max element which is either sum or max, which returns the maximum element. So finally we need to return the maximum element. So this is the brute force approach. It gives all the test cases are accepted. So this is the solution. So now optimize it code. So we need to optimize this with using only single for loop. So initially we need to take the max element which is integer. Here I am taking math dot max min value, which is which you also know about. It is minus 2 power 31, and I am also taking the sum variable which is 0. So here we need to iterate by using a single for loop here. So I starts from 0 until the array length which is nums dot length, and each time it increments. So here we need to find out the sum. So sum equals to sum plus nums of 5, which adds every element, and we need to find the maximum element. So max equals to math dot max of sum comma max. So it gives the maximum element. So we also check for the negative elements. If the sum is less than 0, so we need to take it as sum equals to 0, otherwise it changes the entire code. So we need to take the sum as sum equals to 0. And finally we need to return the maximum element. So this code is the optimized code, which uses only O of 1n complexity, because here we are using the single for loop. So it gives the time complexity O of n. So this is the best and optimized code for this maximum subarray problem, Leetcode number 53. If you have any doubts, please comment in the section. So this also passes all the test cases. So that's it guys, this is the code. Thank you.